Credit Repair Cloud Review 2025 Legit or overhyped? Credit Repair Cloud is a popular tool for building a credit repair business, but is it worth the hype in 2025? Credit Repair Cloud offers software to manage clients, track disputes, automate processes, and generate compliance documents. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's a magic solution for instant credit improvement, but it's really a business management platform that helps professionals operate efficiently. You won't believe what happens next. It integrates with credit bureaus, provides training modules, and even marketing tools to help grow your business. The platform is subscription-based, and pricing depends on the tier you choose. It's designed for those serious about building a credit repair business, not casual users looking to fix their own credit. So, is it legit? Yes, it's a legitimate tool for entrepreneurs looking to manage credit repair operations efficiently. Is it overhyped? Only if you expect it to magically boost credit scores without effort. It's a business tool, not a shortcut. The surprising truth is that software like Credit Repair Cloud works best when paired with knowledge, compliance, and consistent effort. It can streamline your business and increase productivity, but success still depends on the user's expertise.